Hi guys! In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make your own wedding bouquet with real flowers, and it's gonna be under $50. So sometimes weddings can get really expensive. I was quoted about $225 to make my own bouquet by a professional florist, and that was a little bit too much for me. So I decided to make this video for you guys that are under a small budget or would like to make your own customized bouquet and show you how really easy it is. Okay guys, so there's 5 steps you need to follow. Step 1 is to get all the items you need: the flowers, the ribbon, the pearl pins, scissors, and plastic wrap. So I bought all the flowers I needed at Trader Joe's. They really have a large selection of beautiful flowers, and it gave me the option to choose the bouquet look I wanted. So I went with white roses and spray pink baby roses as my main colors. Next, I chose to fill in the bouquet with unicorn gypsophilia and the orangium. For the unicorn gypsophilia, I chose the white, pink, yellow, and bluish colors because I wanted to gradually change the main rose colors, which were white and pink, to the very blue, purple intense orangium. Last, I chose the eucalyptus leaves to add more color and depth to the bouquet. Step 2 is to prepare your flowers and greenery. I stripped all the roses from its leaves and thorns. Next, I separated the unicorn gypsophilia into single one-stem flowers. I cleaned the eucalyptus leaves by chopping off a few leaves from the bottom stem. Next, I organized and separated all the flowers and leaves that helped me to easily choose and compose the floral design I wanted. Step 3 is to create your own wedding bouquet. I started off with my main colors. I chose the biggest, fullest white rose as my first flower. Then I added white and pink unicorn gypsophilia around it to single out the white rose. Next, I added a spray light pink roses all around the white rose. My thought process was to make an even bouquet by giving it a round shape and making sure all the colors transition nicely from the lighter colors to the darker colors. So last, I added the eucalyptus as the base all around the bouquet. Kind of think about the bouquet as one big flower and the leaves are at the bottom. Step 4 is to secure the stems to make sure the entire bouquet holds its form. It's a very tricky and important step because if you don't do it right, the whole bouquet can fall apart. So you can use tape, but I decided to use moving plastic wrap. This could be a bit challenging because you have to hold the bouquet with one hand and wrap with your other hand until the bouquet is really tight. Okay, so now you can breathe. The bouquet is all tight and secure. Very important, I like to keep my workspace clean, so here I am cleaning. Step 5 is to wrap the bouquet and design it with pearl pins. Personally, I chose a simple and clean white wrap that I secure with pearl pins. So I started wrapping from the very top all the way to the bottom. It is very important that the wrap is tight around the stems and it covers the plastic wrap. Once at the bottom, I secured the wrap with pearl pins and cut the wrap. Now that the bouquet is firm and secure, I decided to get a bit creative and use the extra pearl pins as highlights for the stem and the white roses. And that's really it, guys. If you want to stick to a small budget or if you want to customize your own wedding bouquet, I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't miss out that bell notification. What was it? Was it like that?